Welcome to World of Secrets. Here, we dive deep into the hidden wonders and intriguing mysteries of our universe, from bizarre scientific experiments to ancient enigmas. Each episode reveals the secrets that lie beneath the surface of everyday life. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the unknown, challenge your perceptions, and satisfy your curiosity. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the world? Let's begin. Today, I will share interesting facts from World Cuisine with you. Sushi in Japan. The proper way to eat sushi is considered to be with your fingers. Additionally, real wasabi is rare and expensive. Most places use green radish instead. Chopsticks in China. Leaving your chopsticks upright on the table is seen as summoning the spirit of a deceased person. Therefore, it's important to place them horizontally. Italian pizza. Real Neapolitan pizza is referred to as Verace Pizza Napolitana, and it can only be made in Naples. These pizzas must be made with fresh ingredients and cooked in a wood-fired oven. Tacos in Mexico. In Mexico, tacos are prepared with different recipes in each region, reflecting personal lifestyle. There are many varieties of tacos depending on local ingredients. Tagine in Morocco. In Moroccan cuisine, tagine refers to slow-cooked dishes, specially prepared for guests. The guest's place at the table is a sign of respect. Spices in India. Indian cuisine is known as a paradise of spices. Dishes made with masala, or mixed spices, have different recipes in every family. Olive oil in Africa. In North Africa, olive oil plays an important role not only in flavoring dishes, but also in health. Quality olive oil enhances the aroma of meals. Salsa in Mexico. Making salsa in Mexico varies according to each family's traditions. Using fresh ingredients enhances the quality of the dish. Tea culture in India. In India, chai is an indispensable part of daily life. Chai is usually prepared with milk, tea leaves, and various spices. Street food in Thailand. Street food in Thailand is both delicious and affordable. Street vendors serve freshly cooked meals, and this culture is an integral part of local life. Pho in Vietnam. Pho, the national dish of Vietnam, is a noodle soup prepared with broth and fresh vegetables. It is often consumed for breakfast and uses slow-cooked meat. Mint tea in Morocco. In Morocco, mint tea is served as a symbol of hospitality. The preparation and serving of the tea has become a special ritual. Fermented foods in Korea. Kimchi, made from fermented vegetables, is a staple in Korean cuisine and is known for its health benefits. Coffee culture in Italy. In Italy, espresso is an important part of daily life. Italians prefer espresso in the afternoon and evening, rather than latte or cappuccino in the morning. If you want to learn more secrets and information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.